Hi Chiki, how are you? I'm fine, Sidhu. Very happy to see you after a very long gap. How about you? I am good, Chiki. Where are you going now? I'm going to our neighboring forest. Why are you going there, Chiki? Why? There is a one guava tree in that forest. In that guava fruit, it's very delicious. Oh, really? After I heard your word, myself mouth watering. Could you like to come with me, Sidhu? Oh, yes, with pleasure, Chiki. I will come with you. Okay, but it's too far away. Is it okay for you? No problem, Chiki. I'm very happy to fly along with you. Let's go. We will wanna go in to be eat that guava fruit. Wow. Come, let's go.